football, as it is known worldwide. In the United States, it is called soccer. It has 17 laws that governs this game. The field of play is measured either in meters or yards, metric or conventional. It has two touch lines and two goal lines. The ball, which is about 26 centimeters circumference, is used to play this sport. And on each side of the field, there are 11 players. Each team has 11 players, so 22 persons on the field at any one in one given game. Not necessarily 11, because you will be having the referee and his two assistants also a part of the game. The game is played by children, enjoyed by many, and this game is a game where you could play for 90 minutes duration and we don't have a winner, but everybody come off satisfied. One of the most controversial part of this game is the offside. When are you offside? When are you onside? As we carry on, the player's equipment consists of their cleats, shin guards, shorts, jersey shirt with numbers in the back and on the left hand side over the heart. I mentioned earlier, on and off for the ball. The ball in play, it could touch the line and it will not be out of play. Once it's completely over the line, more than 3/4 of the ball over the line, it is an off ball. The method of scoring, you must score in the goal. Any which way, the ball must be completely across the line, just like the offside, or not the offside, the off ball. The duration of a match is 45 minutes per half, and you may go over the allotted 90 minutes because of stoppage time, because the game has to be stopped for throw-ins, for changes, and different of other things. You have your jersey, a shirt with the numbers, shorts, socks, shin guards. These are uniforms you use to play this game. The game is a very fun game, and there's a lot of things that need women play this game too. As a matter of fact, at present, the Women's World Cup is happening in France concerning female World Cup. The United States have won most of their games so far. You defend your team as much as possible. The method of scoring is for you to get the ball in the net or over the goal line. Within the goal that is 8 yards long and 8 feet high. It's a lot of space, but tell you, it is hard to score. In football, we have penalty kick, which take place in a penalty or goal area. When a player steps up to the ball that is placed on a mark 12 yards away from the goalkeeper, and he or she must try and score, and the goalkeeper could only move side to side, cannot move forward off the line. The start of the game, the ball is placed in the middle and must go forward as if towards the opposite team and then back to starting the game. Like I said earlier, this game is fun and you could enjoy it. Women, children. We have the referees, which consists of the central referee and the two referee assistants. They are in the main control of the game while it's happening. The central referee is the big man for this game. We have females playing this game, and it doesn't matter what you're playing, you could enjoy this game. This game is very, very, very fun, and we should be able to enjoy this game any which way we wish. Soccer, a game for females. We even have female referees, a game for both male and female to enjoy.